Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I'm going to introduce to you our water pump. So here in front of you is a water tank. And next to it, we have our peripheral pump. The one on top is the pump pressure switch. The pump pressure switch measures the water pressure in the water pump. If the water pressure is below 3 bars, below the cutoff pressure, then the pressure switch will give a command to the pump to increase the pressure. So here I'm going to show you the parameters we have on our peripheral water pump. And these are the parameters on the pressure switch.